Crystal, what's up?
I need to take my mind off stuff, so we're gonna go shopping. Hello friends, hello friends, we're here at Ross.
Let's shop with Crystal. We're gonna shop with Crystal. Let's shop with Crystal.
Hello friends, we're here at Dollar General / Popshelf, and look at these adorable rattan gingerbread. The large one is going to be 18, the smaller one is going to be 12, and I really think that there is a medium one, it's just not out yet. And look at the embellishments. You have the different textures of pine, you have the holly berry, you have the little pine cones, and then you also have the bronze bells, and these are absolutely adorable. And the whole silhouette, like cookie cutter look, is totally on trend. I'm also loving the matte white bells, 6 for the small, 8 for the medium, and then this should be 10. This is a beautiful matte cream, and it looks like it's antiquated. And then you have the red and white would set off really any collection, just depending on your motif, of course. I love the heavily flocked trees. These are coming in at $10 each. And look at Santa in his chair, kicking it, looking all smug and happy. $12, and he's adorable. All right, we also have Merry and Bright, Holly Jolly, and these are tin signs in the red and white. These are going to be $12. And right now it's $5 off 40, or 5 off 25. Look at these gorgeous ceramic pillar candles. You have it with the green bow and the red bow. The red bow you could keep for Valentine's Day as well. $6, and those are ceramic. And then we also have these beautiful trees with the green and white trim. $15 each. And then we also have these trio of trees, and it looks like they brushed on some white. Give it a little snow-kissed action. Those are going to be $10 each. And then keeping with the matte white and the red bows, they have these gorgeous bells. These are going to be $10, and the larger one is going to come in at $12, because that's how Dollar General does it. They go up in increments of 2. It was actually the same size. Why am I thinking this is smaller? I don't know why. All right, we also have these trees, $5. You can get these at Dollar Tree. All right, I do like this matte gold sign that says Merry. It is resin, $8. And then look at how cool the musical notes are, $4 each. I really like those as well. I think they're beautiful. We have the Merry Christmas in cursive with the white and green writing, $5. And then you also have it in the red and white, same price. And look at the gorgeous holiday frame. And this is going to be $6. Love the white trees. $8. $5. And then look at, this looks like the doodle, Labradoodle, $12 for that wall decor. I love the matte gold framing around it. Really, really nice. And then look at these beautiful green pillows. These are coming with the ruffle. These are coming in at $15. And I love this, that whole peppermint candy look. And that's also good. It says Merry Christmas, and that's also going to be coming in at $15. And look how adorable the display is. We have the Holly Jolly pillow with the cursive writing, Holly Jolly, red and white, $10. Look at, you have the pink mug with Santa on it, ho ho ho, ceramic, $5. We also have this cute glass pink mist tumbler, $5 as well. Merry Christmas, the t-shirt, be $8. And then look at, we have this 4-pack of cheerful coasters, and it says up to snow good, has the martini, and these are going to be $3. And then you have this in the pink sparkling cranberry. Of course, it is a candle. And then we also have these gorgeous throws with the red bows coming in at $12 each. So I think those are really pretty as well. And they also have this awesome ornament pillow in green. They'll be getting a lot more colors. That's going to be $20. And then I really like their chanclas. Look at $7 for the Nutcracker. And then they also have it in the Christmas tree. The Christmas tree looks so nice. I wonder if they have my size. We'll check that out. Look at how beautiful this sweater pillow is. It says merry and bright. Don't get your tinsel in a tangle. That's $5. And I love how they have the garland. This is $10 draped over it. And then look at how cool that stocking is. I'll give you guys a price on the stocking. They also have more of these cool pillows. Santa's favorite with the red bows. $5. And then I've Been Good-ish, $5. You also have the pink and red ombre tree coming in at $5. And then look, Fizz the Season, the decorative pillow, that is going to be $12. Love this bow with the blue and the gold. You have more gorgeous garland in the white and in the silver, and that is going to be $10. And then the stocking is absolutely lovely, $10. I love it with the bow and the Christmas lights. And I love this tinsel vintage tabletop decor Christmas tree coming in at $12. And then look at this candy vase. You could use it for Valentine's Day. $12. These are candles. How cool is that? $12. I'm trying to see if there's a scent. I'm not seeing a scent. Maybe it's right here. Hold on. Holiday gumdrop. And then we also have a sparkling cranberry. Look how pretty those are. Wow. Making Spirits Bright. MDF, $5. And then look at these bows. $3. And of course, their decoration, you hang them. Love that. And then we also have the little candy dish, ceramic, coming in at $10. And more of the trees. And then look at how adorable this Santa Claus is. He wink wink, will wink wink back, $10. Makes a perfect utility crock. They also have this, same thing, $3. Oh, look at the trinket dish. $3. More of the candles. That's holiday gumdrop. And then look at these. Oh, how fun. $5 each. Love that gold and blue. Again, you can use this for Valentine's Day. Alright, we have the Nutcrackers. That's going to be $8. We have Christmas martinis for $8. The chanclas are $7. I really like those. I think those are not the nicest ones. So pretty. Everything. And then they also have these vases and the spearmint and the red and the white. These ones are smaller. They're coming in at $12. You have the white ceramic Nutcracker candle pillar holders coming in at $12. And then we also have the Nutcracker. She's coming in at $10. Look at how cute she is. And speaking of Nutcracker, here's her little buddy. And he's coming in at $10. And this is, of course, the traditional Nutcracker. And then they also have the Yoga Nutcracker, resin, $8. Flexible Nutcracker, $8. Ooh, showing off, $8. And I wanted to show you guys, look at, they have Citron Berry. That's going to be $5. And then look, I love the design. Gingerbread Winter Chai, $5. I mean, they have such great stuff here. I absolutely love it. Alright, this is a beautiful wall decor piece coming in at $8. And then they also have the Nutcracker stand up, and he's coming in at $15. And then look, have yourself a merry little Christmas. It's the most wonderful time of the year. $5. And then they also have these gorgeous Noel, and it feels like they sealed it in acrylic, and these are going to be $10. Alright, I'm going to jump into fall. Look at how beautiful these pumpkins are. The pink and white, the blue and white, and then the white with the blue bow, and of course the orange. These are 10 and they're resin. I really like these two colors. I think they're gorgeous. Absolutely beautiful. Alright, I have to show you guys these. Look at this. Look at the Christmas tree. Oh my gosh. $5 for that. And then they also have the iridescent ornament. These are glass. $3 in the blue and in the pink. This glass tumbler is so stinking cool. $5. Look at the pink bows and the trees. And then look, Jingle Juice, $8. And they also have these really cool coir mats. Dear Santa, leave wine, take the kids, $12. And look, Dear Santa, please stop here. That's $12 as well. And then they also, of course, have the gorgeous $20 pillow in the red and gold, which I love. And then they also have the red bog bags. Faux bog bags, but that's fine. And these are going to be only $15. So you could totally decorate these any way you want. And they also have the scatter rug. Have yourself a Merry Christmas. That's only $12. And the measurements are going to be 24 by 36. That is awesome. Alright, and then look at this huge bow. Oh my goodness. Look. That is massive. And this is going to come in at 25. Alright, I'm going back into Halloween, but look at how cool that mirror is with the spider webs. And that's only $12. That is awesome. And then look, they also have Spooky Season with the kitty cat. $5. They're still they keep bringing out new stuff. This is one of my favorites. $8. And I think I have that. I'm pretty sure I bought that. I think it's in the garage. Alright, I really want to get this. These are the cutest. I'm not sure how much it is though. I also like this web runner too for $12. That is really nice as well. Okay, let's see. This lights up. You guys have to see. Oh, I'm gonna come back because there's a lot more. Okay, it's not lighting up. It never lights up for us. I don't know why. Okay, this pillow, look. Is that not super stinking cute? Alright, what's the price on this one? Alright, there's not the price on, but look at that. That looks like such an old-fashioned pillow. Love it. I really like him too. 25. Definitely one of my favorites. Alright. Yeah, I'm gonna need to get some, whatchamacallit. Ooh. Look. It's gonna be 5 as well. Oh, look. $3, a little bow. 3. Yeah, I came in to film specifically the Christmas, but I just get, I mean, there's just so much. And we'll be back. Of course we'll be back. I love Dollar General. Alright, my friends, as always, have a wonderful day, wonderful evening. I'll see you guys all in the next video. They're going to be loading this place up, and I can't wait. And I think I know which wall art I want. So we will be back. Alright, my friends, I will see you all in the next one. Thank you so very much.